Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your history on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken to the main menu. From this page, if you wish to hide your history so that no one else can see it, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will take you into the settings page. Once you're in the settings page, look for privacy at the left menu pane and just tap on it. From the privacy settings page, you will see the show history option. This is normally set to all. Now if you only want your friends to see it, then you can tap on the friends option, but if you want your history to be hidden to everyone, then tap on hide to all. Once you choose your desired option, you can go back into the main menu and your option will immediately be applied. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide your history on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.